So I'm moving out of Maryland and going to Florida where it's nice and warm and comfy.
All right, can you share your name and what city your property is located?
Debbie Naraki in Essex, Maryland, 21221.
What had you thinking about selling your home in the first place?
Disabilities and not being able to deal with the home on my own.
And what made you start looking for a cash offer instead of listing the home on the market with a realtor?
Because that takes too long and you have to go through the warranty and the closing and all that stuff. And you have to pay the realtor a certain percentage, and I didn't want to pay them.
And how did you first come across our company?
Online.
And what has your experience been like working with me and my team so far in the process?
Fabulous. It's the easiest transition I've ever done.
Was this process faster or easier than you expected it originally to be?
Oh, it was a lot faster.
And do you feel like everything you were told was honest and clear throughout this process?
Yes, through the whole thing.
And would you recommend As Is Equity to someone who needs a fast, reliable, flexible solution to sell their home?
Most definitely. What made me look for a cash offer instead of putting it on the marker was the ease of the whole process itself and how quick everything got taken care of and turned around. I mean, I did this within a month and it was great. No pressure, none of that stuff.